Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Frank and Teskey here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Right now I have the seats folded out so you can kind of see the cockpit space when you're entertaining guests. When you're underway or if you're fishing, these seats can fold away nice and easily. Once you fold away the transom seat, you do get the ladder access for the dive door. Off of the transom, you will see Mercury-powered 350 Verados. They are joystick piloted as well. Behind the transom seat, you have a nice large live well with a divider so you can keep two different kinds of bait inside. On the port side here, I discussed the dive door / fish door. Opens all the way across with the grab handle here for easy access coming in and out of the water. Continuing into the port side, we have the engine operated flush out system. That way you're not hooking into each individual motor. Moving up towards the helm, you have the upgraded summer kitchen leaning post with sink, paper towel holder, some knife holders, little hooks here for hanging, and a grill. This is a really nice feature, also offers you a lot of storage inside. Moving up to the helm, you got twin Raymarine screens, all touchscreen, rocker switching across, air conditioning at the helm here. Your Mercury vessel view screen shows you fuel burn, Mercury auto trim, also auto trim tabs. So this boat essentially runs itself. Here's your joystick with skyhook and your digital throttle and shift. The helm seats are very nice, all individualized, so if somebody wants to have the armrest down, you can do that. Also, for us shorter boaters, you have a step up here. Gives you nice, good access and view. Whaler has a really nice setup here, but what's really nice is ladder up to the hardtop. This gives you access to your radar, to your outriggers, to your antennas. That's a pretty cool feature that you don't see on a lot of other boats. Something else that's really nice is the trolling seats. Built into the gunnels, easy access, sit back here when you're trolling. You can watch your rods and reels. Moving up to the bow. Nice spacious bow. This table here is the upgraded teak table. It can lower, so you can make it into a sun pad by putting the cushion on top, or you can take the cushions off to use them as a casting platform. What's nice with the sides here, Whaler has backrests. So if you want to have some forward-facing seating when you're running pretty fast, the backrest is always nice to have. Then, in front of the helm, you have the large sun pad. Right here you got cup holders and USB chargers, armrests, and then underneath is a very large storage area. Coming back around, I'll show you the cabin. I'll let Pete go down first. Sorry that it's kind of darker down here. But you have room to sleep for two. That does fold back down right here to make it into a bed, or can stay up if you're kind of hanging out here getting out of the weather. On the port side, you do have rod storage up here as well. Starboard side, you have your sink, nice microwave, and then your head. The head has a very nice teak seat, so when you're showering, you can be seated. Also underneath is the head. Again, to recap, it's a 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. There's a lot of features on this boat. I didn't go through all of them today. but you want to know that it has joystick piloted 350 Mercury outboards. If you have any other info or want more info, stop by here in Brick or visit us online at MarineMax.com. Thank you very much.